Hello guys, welcome back to my channel CS Tech Vidya. Okay, so today this is our first video on Python problem solving with Python programming. Okay, so in this video we'll see what is Python, why we need to learn Python, and important features of the Python. Okay, and how to install and how to set up the environment, development environment. We'll see all of them in this video. Okay, so without any further delay, so let's jump into our topic. Okay, so what is Python? Okay, the most important and most demanding technology in the current market. So what is Python? Okay, so Python is high level general purpose programming language. Okay, so I will make everything practically in our upcoming videos, guys. Okay, what is high level, what is general purpose, like everything I will break down and I will clearly explain every details of this Python features and everything in our upcoming videos. Okay, so yes, in this video we'll try to figure it out, like we'll let know what is high level and what is general purpose and why Python is treated as general purpose. We'll see in this video. Okay, and next important and most demanding phrase in the world, in the current market, so programming language of AA applications. Okay, so Python is the programming language of AA applications. Okay, very important, guys. Okay, now, so Python is treated as one of the most important programming language for developing the AI applications. Okay, yes. So we'll see next. Okay, and next. So then, who is developed this Python? Okay, let's little description about this Python. Who is the, when it was developed and what was the current version and all. Okay, so he is the one Guido van Rossum. So he is the author or is the father of this Python programming language. So he developed this Python programming language and officially released in the 1991. Okay, I think some Feb 22 or Feb 23 sometime. Okay, yes. So current Python latest version is 3.14. Okay, current Python latest version is 3.14. So that is a stable version, so which we can use for our training program. Okay, yes. So next we'll see some important features and important areas where we can use the Python. Okay, and first thing, a application development and web applications and database applications and games development, data applications and automation scripts. Okay, since Python is everywhere. Okay, since Python is everywhere, so in all the fields, these apart from this field, so there are developing the hospital applications or government applications, health sector, education sector. Okay, some automation, cloud, including cloud, DevOps, everywhere Python is there. So that's why the Python is treated as a most general purpose programming language, guys. Okay, na? Yes. So since Python is used in most of the areas and most of the domains, so Python is treated as a one of the most general purpose programming language. Okay, and there are some things, some blogs or some videos you have seen, you might have seen. So Python is also treated as a Swiss Army knife. Okay, Swiss Army knife, nothing but one tool for all the variety of applications. Okay, na? Yes. So Swiss Army knife. So generally Python is treated as a Swiss Army knife. Why? Because this Swiss Army knife is nothing but one tool for different purpose. Okay, na? So one tool for different purpose. So that's why Python is treated as a Swiss Army knife. Yes. So uh, next we'll see some of the important features of Python. Okay, Python is very simple and no complex syntax, and it is a platform independent, and it is a dynamic type, open source, interpreted, extensible, object oriented, embedded, procedure oriented, high level. So yes. Okay, so in our upcoming videos, in our upcoming next 4 to 5 videos, so you will able to explain all these features in your interview, guys. Okay, not only interview, if you are explaining this topic to anyone else, or for your job preparation, anything. Okay, so you will able to clearly explain them. Okay, and as part of your interview process, so definitely if anyone asks any question from this topic, so definitely you will able to clearly and with neat explanation you will be able to answer. Okay, and moreover practically. Okay, na? Yes, practically with proofs. Okay, yes. Next, coming to this platform independent, open source and free, extensible, embedded, these are some common features. So that we'll see it in later. Okay, we'll see these features in later. Okay, yes. Next, so then Now next step is like how to install this Python. Okay, yes. So just go to official website python.org download space. So this is the official web page. So where you can get all your Python versions, different versions, including latest supported versions. Okay, yes. So this is the actual page which you will see in your once you type this URL and click on this Windows. Based on your OS. Okay, Windows, Linux, Mac OS or Android. Okay, so click on this OS and you will get the another screen where version so download Windows installer 64-bit version. Okay, yes, click on this button and download. It will be downloaded into your downloads folder. Okay, double click on it, so double click on it. So next, okay, don't forget, this is very important step guys. Okay, so once you double click on the downloaded file, so click on this install now. Okay, you may not see it is a clickable or not, but just click on this install now and don't forget to mention this add path to option. Okay, add path to option. So this is very important. Okay, even we can set it later, but try to check this box while installing itself. Okay, yes. Next, okay, let's assume you have installed the Python. So how we can verify whether Python is installed successfully or not? Okay, just open the command prompt from your Python or in Windows start menu, just type Python or cmd. You will able to see the supported the downloaded versions of your Python. Okay, so just type Python here on the command prompt. So you will get this prompt. Okay, you will get this prompt. It means you have successfully installed the Python. Okay, yes. Next, in some of the environments, okay, in some of the OS or some of the environments, if you are if you have multiple versions of Python, so in command prompt, try to focus on, try to type Python. Just a second. Okay, try Python or Python 3 or just py-3 and py. Okay, so these are the some of the alternative commands to Python. Okay, na? So these are some of the alternate commands to Python. Okay, so based on your OS, okay, based on the if you have multiple versions, so you will get this kind of alternatives guys. Okay, this is the most how can I say, common problem you will face once you install the Python. Okay, even once you get the job, so you may get this kind of challenges also. Okay, yes. So next, we'll see important topic. So we have installed successfully. So we should know what are all the components we will get this along with this Python. Okay, so installing Python is like a receiving toolbox. The interpreter, pip, IDLE, documentation and standard library are the tools that come inside the box. Okay, so interpreter very important. Every Python program which will be run by this interpreter. Okay, and pip. Okay, as part of your project development, if you need any third party applications or packages, so pip is the one module. So that will you can easily install the third party libraries. Okay, ideally, so it is kind of like trial and run IDE tool. So if while developing the project, so if you get if you blocked or once for your learning process also, ideally is the best tool. Okay, yes. Standard library. Okay, so Python comes with different a variety of libraries are already built by the Python community, so that you can, by importing them, you can reuse for your solving the problems. Okay, so you no need to write code from scratch. Okay, VNV, this is again one more important topic. So you might have, you will be working on multiple projects, or you while learning you will be working on multiple topics. Okay, so for each topic, if you wanted to separate the packages, dependency, so to avoid the dependency issue, so we'll create the virtual environment and will install the required packages in that environment. It is for each project one environment. Okay, yes, we'll see in detail. Okay, why this VNV, pip and interpreter, will see complete details in our upcoming videos guys. Okay, yes, one more important, Python launcher. Okay, we will not use this Python launcher, but if you want, you can use this Python launcher also. It is nothing but similar to our command prompt. Okay, yes. And documentation, so based on the version you have installed, Python 3.14 or whatever the version installed, you will get one documentation in the HTML pages and you can, without internet also, you can connect, you can open that documentation and you can explore the topics. Okay, so this is about the Python installation and Python setting up the environment. Okay, so if anyone faced any challenges, like I mean, you can go YouTube or any ChatGPT or any tool, so definitely will get the assistance. Still, if you have any challenges, okay, why we, I mean, how to set the path, I mean, you forget to check the path, and after that if you wanted to say enable the path, so those kind of issues, so just ping me in the comments, so definitely I will help you, or you can call me on my number, definitely I will help you guys. Okay, yes, so if you like the content, so please subscribe my channel, please share this video, or don't forget to like. Okay, yes, thank you. In next video we'll see our first program. Okay, so Python program, I mean, what is high level language, so I mean, how does our laptop or system, so how does our systems will be converted into machine code, and all we'll see in the next video. Okay, yes, thank you guys, have a good day.